You know that scene in the movies where the hero has to navigate a maze of underground tunnels filled with deadly traps, all while trying to beat the clock? Well, imagine going through something like that every single day on your way to work. Turns out that's the reality for millions of people stuck in soul-destroying traffic jams. But what if we told you that there's a smarter way to design our cities, a way that could not only cut down on those pesky traffic jams, but also save you money on your utility bills and even keep you safer in emergencies? Say goodbye to traffic and hello to the future, because today we're talking about smart cities. We've all heard about them, but how many of us really understand what they mean for our daily lives? Buckle up, because we're about to take a wild ride into the world of artificial intelligence and see how it's transforming the way we live, work, and play in cities around the globe. So sit tight and get ready to discover how the cities of tomorrow are being built today. But first, let's talk about what smart cities actually are. A smart city is basically a city that uses technology and data to improve the lives of its citizens. And guess what? It's not just some futuristic fantasy. It's happening right now. In fact, according to the UN, over half of the world's population now lives in urban areas, and that number is expected to grow to 68% by 2050. So it's no surprise that city leaders everywhere are looking for innovative ways to make their cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. Enter smart cities. Now, you might be thinking, okay, smart cities sounds good, but how exactly does it work? Well, at its core, a smart city uses technology and data to connect various aspects of the city in order to improve the quality of life for its citizens. This can include everything from managing traffic and transportation to providing public safety and security, as well as optimizing energy and water usage. So essentially, a smart city leverages technology to become more efficient, sustainable, and livable. Now, you might be wondering what makes a smart city different from any other city. Well, it's simple. It's all about using data and technology to make informed decisions and solve real-world problems. For example, a smart city can use data to identify areas where traffic is most congested and then deploy resources to alleviate those bottlenecks. They can also use sensors to monitor air quality and adjust accordingly, ensuring that its citizens breathe easy. And let's not forget about those pesky potholes. A smart city can use data to identify and repair roads that are in need of maintenance, making for smoother rides and happier drivers. So what's the bottom line? A smart city uses data and technology to make things better for everyone. Sounds great, right? Let's dive into the real-world impact that smart cities are having on our lives. One of the most exciting aspects of smart cities is the potential to revolutionize the way we use our resources. Take water, for example. According to the World Bank, almost one-third of the world's population will likely face water shortages by 2050. That's why smart cities are investing in water-saving technologies such as smart irrigation systems that use sensors to monitor soil moisture levels and only water plants when necessary. By using AI-powered water management systems, cities can reduce water waste, optimize water distribution, and ensure that everyone has access to this vital resource. Another area where smart cities are making a big impact is in waste management. According to the EPA, the average American throws away 4.4 pounds of waste each year. That's a lot of garbage. But smart cities are tackling this problem head-on with innovative solutions like smart trash cans that use sensors to monitor fill levels and optimize waste collection routes. By reducing the amount of time and resources spent on waste management, cities can free up valuable assets to focus on other areas. So what's the bottom line here? Smart cities are all about using technology and data to optimize resource usage and ensure that essential services are provided efficiently. This means that instead of wasting water or sending out unnecessary garbage trucks, cities can use resources wisely and direct them to where they're needed most. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, traffic. We've all been stuck in traffic jams, and we all know how frustrating and time-wasting they can be. But smart cities are changing the game when it comes to traffic management. By using AI-powered systems to optimize traffic flow, smart cities are reducing congestion, improving air quality, and saving drivers time and money. One great example is intelligent transportation systems, which use sensors and cameras to collect real-time data on traffic patterns and then use that data to optimize traffic signal timing and provide drivers with up-to-date information on road conditions and traffic flow. This means less time wasted sitting in traffic and more time spent enjoying the things you love. But that's not all. Smart cities are also using AI to optimize parking availability. According to the National Parking Association, drivers spend a whopping 30 billion hours each year searching for parking. But smart cities are changing that with AI-powered parking systems that use sensors to monitor parking availability in real time. This means no more driving around the block looking for a parking spot and no more getting frustrated over parking tickets. So what's the bottom line here? Smart cities are tackling the age-old problem of traffic congestion head-on with innovative AI-powered solutions that are making our roads smarter, our commutes more efficient, and our cities more livable. And let's not forget about one of the most critical aspects of any city, the safety and well-being of its citizens. From crime prevention to emergency response, smart cities are using technology and data to keep everyone safe. Take public safety, for example. With AI-powered surveillance systems, smart cities can monitor public spaces in real time and identify potential threats or suspicious activities. This allows law enforcement officials to focus their resources where they're needed most, preventing crime before it happens. And in the event of an emergency, AI-powered systems can quickly dispatch emergency services, optimize response times, and provide critical information to first responders. Another area where smart cities are making a big impact is in public health. With AI-powered systems, smart cities can monitor public health indicators in real time, such as air quality, noise pollution, and disease outbreaks. This allows public health officials to intervene quickly and effectively, protecting the health and well-being of the community. Take Seoul, South Korea, for example. The city has implemented a number of smart initiatives to improve the lives of its citizens, such as using AI-powered cameras to detect and respond to emergencies such as fires or car accident in real time. These cameras can be equipped with facial recognition technology to identify people in need of assistance and notify emergency services. Seoul has also launched a smart healthcare program that uses telemedicine and remote patient monitoring to provide healthcare services to citizens in underserved areas. This program has helped to improve access to healthcare and reduce wait times for medical appointments. Then there's Dubai, United Arab Emirates, which has been working towards becoming a fully sustainable city by 2050. To achieve this goal, Dubai is using AI to optimize the use of resources such as water and energy. For example, the city has implemented a smart irrigation system that uses AI to control the timing and amount of water used for landscaping, reducing water consumption by up to 50%. Dubai is also using AI-powered systems to monitor and optimize the performance of its solar panels, ensuring that they operate at peak efficiency. So what's the bottom line here? Smart cities are creating safer, healthier, and more sustainable communities through technology and data-driven solutions. In conclusion, smart cities are transforming the way we live, work, and play. Through AI-powered systems, cities can optimize traffic flow, manage resources efficiently, and enhance public safety. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that improve the quality of life for citizens. So buckle up and get ready for the future of city living. Who knows, you might just find yourself living in a smart city sooner than you think.